Hey everyone, welcome to How Ines Rolls. We are getting ready to go on vacation. Woo! So we are about to leave out the door and meet up with the Fram. Are you gonna go with us today? Yes, let's go. So we are just pulling up and we're meeting our friends and passing out the bags so that the kids can have something to do on the way up. Tina's already here. Danny just went inside with Paul, and the other friends should be here very soon.
We're waiting on the birches.
Hey! Just getting our sodas. Alright, we are finally here in St. George, so we're gonna eat at Blaze Pizza. It's so good. Well, thank you. That looks so good. Which one is going to be yours? One of ours?
Yeah, but
Some rooms. And this will be for us for the next couple of days. Very nice. And has a nice little bathroom in here. There's a light in the shower even. So, thought I'd show you what it looks like before we bring in all our junk. We are gonna get ready to go to the pool! Yes, this looks amazing! Ezzy, what do you think? Does that look fun? Ezra's gonna come down the slide! All right, that looks so fun. Yeah, we are, I think Lazy River sounds great. Ooh, we are all done, I think, and we're just gonna head to the house. Do you wanna have a little something to eat?
Yes.
We have some leftover pizza.
Oh, let's go.
Was that fun?
It was fun. I jumped in so many times, Ken.
It was Presley, so fun. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
That's fun. You gonna do it all day tomorrow? Maybe not.
it's her favorite too. I love that girl.
Good morning, everyone. I have to be a little quiet because everybody's still sleeping, but I wanted to show you where the pool is in comparison to where we're staying. It's pretty amazing. So here's one of the pools. It is really big. And right now, I think it's like getting close to 85 to 90 degrees. And it's like 9 in the morning. So it's gonna be a scorcher today. But it's so pretty around here too. I don't have much makeup on because we're just gonna get in the pool anyway, so. But I first need to have some breakfast. We have Ezra here. How'd you sleep, sweetie?
Good.
Good. You ready to go swimming again today? He just finished up a cereal bar, but I'm just gonna have a little bit of this breakfast of champions. There's muffins here too, sweetie. Already starting to wake up.
Yeah. Like
Should we get the siren and play it really loud? That would be so funny, huh? They might get mad, huh? We had a late night. What a surprise. The kids are all up here. There's like stairs that goes up to an upper balcony. They're doing a little dance. Hey, Lene. You look so pretty when you wake up.
Oh, thank you.
On our way to Walmart. Always forgetting something. Always.
Yes.
That looks good. Looking already red. Oh, Bert?
I don't know, maybe.
So we just finished up having lunch. My goodness, I'm like glowing. And we're now back at the pool for the next few hours. And we went and bought pool noodles. You saw that we went to Walmart. So hopefully this lazy river we could just enjoy for the next few hours. Heavenly. Here's Ezra. We have the girls doing some arts and crafts. So they're just gonna make some. Are you guys making a sign? Or are you gonna paint some pictures?
I think I'm just gonna paint like a picture.
That'll be so fun.
It looks green.
So I kind of started ahead of them. So if you dream it, you can do anything, girls, right?
Yeah.
Another pool. Pretty awesome. We just had a fabulous day swimming. Probably a good 6 hours of swimming. So now we're all getting showered up and getting some snacks, and we're probably having lots of fun that I hope to show you. All right, so we've had some food to eat, and we are just winding down. Look at Ezra. Aww. We've swam hard today, and the place that we're staying at has a video game system that we've just turned on for the first time, or the boys did. So Jonas is playing. So hey everybody, today is our last day at the house. It's not our last day of vacation. So what we need to do, it's pretty early. Everyone's still kind of waking up, and we're just kind of doing some straightening up and having some breakfast. And then we're going to be checking into a nearby hotel. So I have Ezra. Ezra, you're having some breakfast?
Yeah.
What do you want to tell everybody what we're doing tonight?
Rodeo.
We are going to the rodeo. So there's some fun things. I have actually never been to a rodeo, so that should be fun to go. But I'm not new to some of the events like chicken wrangling or something like that. So I think Ezra may go do that. I told him he can show them boss, because we used to carry our chickens around too, but it'll be so fun. We've been having a great time. Nice and burnt. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, I'm so burnt. And so we don't really want to be in the sun too much today. We want to relax the skin. So let's get cleaning. Tina's doing everything. For an army.
Everyone needs to eat this all up before we leave. Get on it.
We don't have any more ice, so get rid of it. Just straightening up our room, packing everything up, and going to the next place. We're just getting ready to head out, and left the house. It's about lunchtime, so we're gonna head over to another pizza place, and then we may get some dessert. I'll show you where we're going. Do you guys want some pizza? Ezzy, you want pizza? No. You don't?
I do.
Pizza. All right, we just pulled up to Rigotti's, which is a wood fire pizza place, and I love this decor. It's already like antique pioneer looking. Nice. It smells so good in here. Do you know what you want? It's got a little side salad, and we're upstairs, so the kids are gonna sit over here. We got adults, I think that'll be here. That looks good, Ez. Had the pineapple, huh?
Yeah.
Smells good. You like it? Do you think you're gonna eat that whole thing?
Probably.
Probably. Woo-wee. That looks like a good salad. Here's mine, personal size. I love thicker crust. Yum, yum. As long as it's good. What'd you get? Oh, we all got salad, foreign salad. There's only $1 more to get the salad.
Yeah.
Nice. That looks good.
Hopefully.
And gluten-free.
Probably not.
Up to Red Barn for some ice cream. Oh, yes.
That's fruit raspberry.
Yeah. Okay, so we just got ice cream. Was it so good?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what they have in here. It's like a little general store where you could get like some drinks and some fruits and veggies. Look at all this stuff. And it's really refrigerated in here. Ooh, I love those. Those look so good. It's so refrigerated in here that it feels so good on a hot day, huh?
Yes.
Look at all this yumminess. Homemade breads. Yeah. Look at this butter. It's a butter roll thing. That looks good.
Butter.
Mushrooms, cantaloupes. Pretty soon it'll be apple season. And this whole area will be a bunch of apples. But look at those Honey Crisps. Should we get some? I know. How about just some apple juice?
Yeah.
All right, we just pulled up at the rodeo and there are so many cars here. It's like in the middle of nowhere and there are tons of people here. So this should be fun.
Whether it be his horses or his equipment, he stepped up to help everyone. He would give.
Broken.
He's showing you how to ride and even to get off.
What do you think?
It's cool.
It's pretty cool, huh? Being at the rodeo? Yeah. What'd you already get to eat as a snack? Cotton candy. You're so lucky.
Here comes Lexi.
Pretty soon there's gonna be the mutton busting.
Yeah.
That'll-
My favorite part.
That'll be fun.
And then the chicken.
And the chickens.
You know it didn't knock your front teeth out because you ain't got none. There you go.
Ezzy, how cute are they? They're cool, so cool. So we're getting ready. Ezra's gonna go out and do what?
Chicken.
Get some chicken. All the kids.
Zero insurance.
Go ahead.
Congratulations, Cobalt, being the average winner. Taking home that bucket. Holy smokes. What a sight from up here to see that.
Ezra, how was it? Is that so fun?
Yeah, they're so warm.
So we got home a little late last night. We had a fun time at the rodeo. It is just a different kind of experience there. We had, like I said, a really good time and the kids had fun. I just couldn't believe how many people were there and how many kids were involved. And it was, you know, definitely a different experience that I'm glad we did. We just finished up some breakfast and I think we're just kind of finalizing some plans today, but it should be another fun day. So we are on our way into right now the Quail Creek State Park, and it's got like a nice swimming area. So I can't wait to show you. It is so awesome. You can rent these canoes and kayaks. That's kind of what we've done. So the kids are out there right now on this little like trampoline thing. It is so awesome. Ezra's out there jumping. He was a little hesitant at first. And then right next to them you can see like a canoe or a kayak pulling up, and that's Danny and Elijah. And then there's a paddleboard that we rented too. But you guys, it's so much fun. The water's like 82 degrees. It's beautiful, even though it started off super hot, but now with us being in the water, 105 is nothing. So I have this long sleeve shirt only because I got pretty sunburnt a couple of days ago. So it's time to get back into the water. Did you have fun, Ezzy?
Yeah.
Yeah, what was your favorite part?
Probably swimming.
The swimming? That was so fun, huh? Being on that trampoline.
I had
Yeah.
We had two.
Yeah, just two. We're just starting to straighten up. We've been here for 3-4 hours. And even though it was super hot, it's almost cold right now. It's chilly. So we decided to get dinner and bring it back to the hotel where we're all eating together. My lips are so red. So you want to see what we got for dinner? Just some Five Guys. Oh yeah, these are some good quality hamburgers. Paul's nearly done with his. How about you, buddy? They have some good french fries, huh? And then everybody's over here too, eating. We are ending our night with some yummy ice cream. So we got these concretes from Culver's. I got some chocolate brownie. I don't know if I'm going to be able to eat this all, but I will give it a try. Mine is chocolate brownie. What'd you get, Ezzy?
Chocolate banana.
Chocolate banana shake, right?
Yeah.
And then Jonas got the same thing, chocolate banana shake. How is it?
Better
Better?
than Ezra's.
And then Paul got
Strawberry banana
concrete.
Yes.
It's the best way
With
to
strawberries.
end the night. Maybe we'll get to hang out with friends later, but we'll see. Well, we are just starting to clean up. Today is the last day of our vacation. So you've seen snippets of the last 4 days, and I hope that it's understandable, but we've just had a wonderful time with our friends. And, you know, I think we're gonna have one more lunch together, and then we're just pretty much gonna go home. I've missed Kobe. I'm also starting my preschool class on OutSchool tomorrow, so I'll link that information below. We're just putting everything in. I just Tetris the trunk with all of the stuff, and I think we're pretty much ready to go. We stopped off and got some swig. Well, that is a wrap on our vacation. We've been home for several hours now, cleaning, doing laundry, we washed the car, just kind of getting back into our routine. And we're hoping to get to go to bed soon because we are so tired, and I'm still pretty sunburned, and that is after using sunblock, you guys. So but I hope that you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up and let me know if you've been watching the Phillips Fam Bam vacation videos. It's just so great to have something to look back to, that we shared these memories together. And you guys, I hope that you liked it, and stick around, rollers. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye, everyone.